Not long ago, the metaverse was supposed to change everything: virtual worlds, digital real estate, and a whole new way to live and work online. Tech giants invested billions. VR was supposed to be our new digital reality. But here we are in 2025. Was it all just hype? Stick around because I'll reveal whether the metaverse is dead or if it's secretly evolving into something even bigger. How did the metaverse start? Facebook became Meta in 2021, promising a new virtual world. Companies like Microsoft, Apple, and Google invested in VR and AR tech. NFTs and digital real estate exploded. People were spending millions on virtual land. At its peak, Meta's Metaverse division lost $13 billion in a single year. What went wrong? Expensive hardware. VR headsets are still too pricey for mass adoption. Lack of content. Many VR worlds feel empty and pointless. Poor user experience. Motion sickness, clunky avatars, and technical glitches scare users away. Overhyped expectations. Companies promise too much, too soon. Only 1 in 10 people who buy a VR headset continue using it regularly. VR isn't completely dead. Gaming is thriving. Titles like Half-Life, Alex, and Beat Saber prove VR gaming works. Virtual workspaces. Companies are using VR for remote meetings and training simulations. Medical and therapy uses. VR is helping with pain management, PTSD treatment, and even surgery training. Some industries use VR more than ever, but casual users aren't adopting it. Augmented reality is taking over. Apple's Vision Pro, a $3,500 AR headset focusing on productivity, not a metaverse. AI-generated virtual worlds. AI can now create entire VR environments instantly. Mixed reality is gaining ground. Combining AR and VR is where companies see the real future. Apple and Google are focusing on AR instead of full VR, signaling a shift in the industry. What's coming in 2025 and beyond? AI-powered VR. AI will make VR more immersive, intelligent, and interactive. Lighter, cheaper headsets. New devices will be as small as regular glasses. Realistic haptic feedback. Full-body VR suits and gloves will enhance immersion. Decentralized virtual worlds. Blockchain may help create user-owned, non-corporate metaverse spaces. By 2030, VR and AR are expected to be a $1.5 trillion industry. Final verdict? The old vision of the metaverse, Meta's version, is dying. But AR, AI, and mixed reality are shaping the real future. The metaverse isn't gone. It's just evolving into something different. What do you think? Is the metaverse dead? Or is it just getting started? Drop a comment below. Want more tech breakdowns and future predictions? Like this video if you found it insightful. Subscribe for weekly AI, VR, and tech updates. Share this with a friend who still believes in the metaverse. Thanks for watching. Check out these videos for more tech deep dives, AI advancements, and the future of virtual worlds, and I'll see you next time on Health and Tech TV.